5 seconds in. And most people have already made the first mistake. Here are the 5 money habits quietly keeping you broke and how to break free from every single one. Welcome back to Mind of the Rich. Today, we're exposing the 5 habits that feel completely normal but are silently destroying your financial future. Habit number 1. Spending before saving. Most people pay their bills, enjoy their lifestyle, and save whatever's left. The wealthy do the opposite. They pay themselves first, automatically moving money into savings and investments before spending a single dollar. If you wait to see what's left at the end of the month, there will never be anything left. Habit number 2, buying liabilities and calling them assets. A new car, designer clothes, the latest phone. These feel like upgrades, but they drain your wallet every single month. The rich buy things that put money in their pocket. Real estate, stocks, businesses. Start asking one question before every purchase. Does this make me money or cost me money? Habit number 3, trading time for money with no exit plan. A salary feels safe, but there's a ceiling. You can only work so many hours. The wealthy build income streams that don't require their time. One stream becomes 2, 2 becomes 5. Financial freedom isn't about earning more, it's about owning systems. Habit number 4. Avoiding financial education. The average person spends 4 hours a day on social media and 0 hours learning about money. The wealthy read, listen, and constantly upgrade their financial knowledge. Your income will never exceed your financial education. Habit number 5. Waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Waiting for more money, more stability, more certainty is the habit that costs people decades. The rich start before they're ready. They learn by doing. Break these 5 habits and you don't just change your bank account, you change your entire future. If this hit different, subscribe to Mind of the Rich. New videos every week. See you at the top.